Hey, so today let's talk about F&I and how F&I products are incorporated into a digital retailing experience. Digital retailing is an extremely powerful part of a dealership website and how customers are going to be interacting with the purchase process on your dealership's website, including how customers are going to interact and learn about F&I products. F&I products is a big part of the overall success of a dealership. A big portion of the the variable operations gross profit comes from F&I products. Being able to position finance products to the customer in a way that allows you to build value and expose those products to potential customers is extremely important. There's been some great studies in the past about how customers will ultimately purchase finance products if they understand what they are prior to that face-to-face meeting that they're going to have with a finance manager in the finance office after they've purchased their vehicle. If they understand what the products are prior to that point, they're going to be more open to actually purchasing that product and understanding what the value is. With all of that said, we've built finance product menu into our DealMaker technology, which is our digital retailing solution, right into Intice 360. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to show you how we can expose your customers to F&I products and have them explore how they can benefit the customer prior to them actually visiting the dealership showroom and making that purchase decision and then getting into the finance office to finish up the paperwork. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen real quick here. So I'm going to share this. I have a dealer website up right now. This is Intice 360. I'm going to come in here. I'm just going to jump over into our new vehicle inventory. From here, I'm going to select one of these vehicles and I'm going to go in and work through the process. Now, one of the benefits of DealMaker as it is installed on a dealership website, we can turn this into a quoting system or even a desking system if you choose to use it that way by turning on our showroom mode. We do that just by clicking on this icon right here and typing in a special code. I'm going to go ahead and type that in real quick. I'm going to turn on showroom mode. And basically what that's going to do is that's going to give me access to all of the tools built into our digital retailing solution without generating a lead to the dealership's CRM. And we track the reporting a little bit differently, segmenting the showroom traffic from dealership website traffic. So the first page, as we just kind of go through here, we've built our digital retailing technology and modeled it after a traditional sales process that you might find in a dealership showroom, starting with a meet and greet. So this is our meet and greet right here. We include a explainer video, kind of explaining how the process is, welcoming them to the dealership, and then we're going to capture the customer's information, move to the second step of the process, which is trade appraisal, moving that trade appraisal step from instead of after the test drive or the selection of the vehicle to step 2, we use that as an opportunity to build a customer profile, shorten or shrink the overall sales process, start the trade appraisal process while we go out and select a vehicle, take a test drive, and then move on to the presentation of figures. So step 2, trade appraisal. Trade appraisal, what we can do is we can just grab a VIN number, which a lot of customers, what they'll do is they'll just open up their insurance app, grab that number, or they can even do it from a copy of the insurance card that they might have taken a photo of earlier. Now you just have the ability to select that right from an image. Anyways, you can copy it, you can paste it right in, you can also drop in the miles. This is part of our express cash offer solution. What creates a separation between this tool and a lot of digital retailing technologies out there is that we're going to give the customer a real offer. We're going to do it based on the customer rating the vehicle, in this case, 3 stars. We give the customer the ability to provide a little bit more information by answering some custom questions like, hey, I don't have 2 keys to remote, or I don't have the maintenance records. That information is available. We're going to move on to giving the customer the opportunity to get a real payoff. This is going to be a validated 10-day payoff, but this is going to be a payoff that they can get programmatically from a soft pull. So we get the last reported value, payoff value, reported to the credit union or credit bureau, which in most cases is very close. But in this case, I'm just going to enter in my payoff value. You can see here, then we're going to share that real cash offer value to the customer, $14,733. And then we're going to move on to the next step of the process where a customer can add in images of their vehicle. I'm going to skip that for this demo because this is a video talking about digital retailing in regards to F&I products. Before we get there, though, we're going to present figures to the customer. We do this in an e-pencil style, technology that I created 25 years ago, pioneering the 9-payment grid, allowing the customer to explore all of these different payment options, kind of negotiate with themselves. So if I'm a customer who says, well, 337, I actually want to be at 304 per month. So I click that. It's going to restructure my deal to get to 304, but then I see that it would take $7,000 down, but I only want to put $2,500 down. Now that's going to put my payment to 379, but that's going 72 months. I want to go 54 months or 66 months. Actually, let's go. We can go 66 months. So now 66 months, 407, $2,500 down. That seems pretty good. I can also check to see if there are any offers or rebates that I would qualify for, and I can apply them there. I could add my taxes and fees, which then will put me at $449. And this is a penny perfect payment. This is a deliverable deal that you can you can deliver somebody at these values. I can do a soft credit pull on myself if I want to add that information, or I can just put in my credit score and see what I would qualify for. I can also flip this deal right over to a lease and to see if a lease deal would be better. That actually puts me at 334, but I think I want to buy. So I'm going to flip back over to a loan. I'm going to stick at 449. So now meet and greet, trade appraisal, presentation of figures, and then I want to move into F&I. F&I, this is where we're going to expose the customer to the different F&I products and educate the customer to what these F&I products are. How do we do that? Well, just like the F&I menu that you have, that you're probably using in your store right now, you're going to have that fully protected payment on the left-hand side of the menu with all of the preferred products. And then you're going to have different payment options based on that fully protected payment. We're going to do the exact same thing. You can see here that we have the vehicle service contract, total loss, gap insurance. We have the appearance package, and we have a tire and wheel package. We have a paintless dent and repair program, and then we have a windshield repair replacement product. This is all built in at $533, or I could stay at $449. Or if I don't know what these products are, check this out. Click on this information icon here. Now I have a nice video explaining exactly what a vehicle service contract is. So on my time, as I'm sitting on the couch, considering purchasing a vehicle from your dealership, now I can learn about what a vehicle service contract is. I'm going to play just a few moments of this, and you can get an idea of how we can educate the customer about the different products.
As a car owner, you know that unexpected repairs can be expensive and leave you feeling frustrated. But what if there was a way to
You get the idea. Of other information about the vehicle service contract, we have the same thing for gap insurance. in all of these products. We create custom videos, explainer videos, providing simple explanation of what these products are. Now, for customers that might want to come in here and see if there are any other terms available, I can come in here and select from different term options, which will automatically update my payment if there are different term options available. And we can work with your product provider to get any of the different products and terms built right into the solution. Also, instead of just moving myself down to the menu in the other packages, I can just start to remove any of these products I might not want. And then automatically we're going to get that new payment. So for example, maybe I'll get rid of 3 or 4 of these products. That puts me at $516 per month. Or I can put another $1,000 down. Now I'm at $3,500 down, 66 months. That's $498. If I want to see the detail, give me a full disclosure. And keep in mind that we're just on the dealership's website. It's all there behind here. A very simple UI. We're not doing a full page takeover with all of these buttons and details, which most digital retailing is very overwhelming. This becomes just a really nice, slick interface right in on top of the dealership website. I can finish the process by completing a credit app, which is going to integrate with Route 1, DealerTrack, 700 credit. Wherever you want that full credit app to go, we'll send it there. I can skip it. And then I can also schedule my appointment. I can schedule it at the dealership. I can schedule it maybe for a test drive at home or a test drive at work if that's something that you want to offer. And then for that, I can just go ahead and enter in my address right here. I can just select it right from the list, and it'll just show me right on the map where that's at. Or I can just schedule my appointment at the dealership, and I can schedule, let's say I want to be there Friday afternoon at 1 o'clock. And then we're gonna finish the process with the needs assessment. This is really designed to be the segue between what happens online to what happens into the dealership showroom. A big part of our Shopper Express program, which is powered by DealMaker, is creating that physical transition document. So I'm going to go ahead and say my test drive, I want to check out the roominess and infotainment. What's most important to me is going to be the comfort and convenience and safety of my vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and hit complete. Now at this point, if you're using it as a quoting tool, you can say yes, send a quote to David Farmer, but don't send it to the CRM. Now the cool thing is that now I get this transition document, my express ticket to a better experience in the dealership showroom. Here is my payment without products. Here's my payment with products. There's my 9-payment grid, my e-pencil style worksheet. There's my price, my trade, my credit, my test drive appointment. All of the products that are included are just going to show up right there. And what a big benefit of our DealMaker technology is it does not require really any training for your sales staff. With the turnover that does happen in a dealership, whether you have a new finance manager coming on board, a new desk manager, or a new salesperson, everything that person is going to need without any training is going to be able to show you exactly how we built this deal and how you can incorporate this into the presentation of figures, the presentation of the trade value with built-in ways to overcome objection based on a condition standpoint. All of that is built into this transition document. But most importantly, we're talking about F&I products. We also build special pages on our Intice 360 website that is going to provide a great way for customers to be able to learn about F&I products on this F&I product page with all these F&I product videos. And we also include these same videos on every single VDP. So I can come here and we include those videos right here, which I'll play just a second of one.
As a car owner, you know that unexpected...
So very F&I friendly, to be able to share all of this information with customers as they go through their online purchase journey, completing the digital retailing experience at your dealership showroom. At this point in the video, I always like to say, if you're still sticking around, I appreciate your time checking out my videos. Of course, you're going to find this video plus many others at Intice.com.